Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm going to show you today how to put your Ford Edge into park brake maintenance mode. So what this means is for the rear brakes, they have that electronic parking brake, and you have to put it in maintenance mode to work on it, or you could damage them.
Okay, so to put the vehicle into brake service mode, you're going to turn it to accessory where it's not started. Then you're going to hold the gas pedal down. Then you're going to push the parking brake down to release it. Then you're going to push this button on and off. And then over here, it'll say parking brake maintenance mode.
So now you should see this flashing along with other notifications that you have park brake maintenance mode. And if you were to try to hit the parking brake at this point, it will flash at you and tell you that you're still in that mode until you take it out.
Now that it's in park brake maintenance mode, we're going to take it out of that. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to turn the vehicle off. We're going to turn it to accessory, hold the accelerator down, and then we're going to pull up on the parking brake and then come over here and push this button on and off. Keep holding up on it. You'll hear the parking brake go on, and now on the dash it says parking brake applied, and so it's good. Now as you cycle the parking brake, you'll hear it turn off and say released, and turn it on, it'll say applied. If it's in maintenance mode, when you try to turn the parking brake on and off, it will just flash if it's still in the maintenance mode.
So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description for the brake install itself and for other videos. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.